Hello there, and welcome to the sixth video in our SQLite tutorial series. So this will be the last video in this series, and now I'm going to show you how to animate these recycler view items. So I have added 20 books here, and we're going to first add some changes. So inside our menu XML file, we want to set our show as action to never. So instead of showing our icon, delete icon, we're going to show 3 dots. So let's check it out. Okay, so when you click those 3 dots, you will see option delete all. So I think this is a more convenient method. So now that we have fixed that, we're going to create a new animation. So in our resource directory, let's create another Android resource directory with the name of anim. And here inside that directory, we're going to create a new animation resource file with the name of translate anim or translate animation. Okay, so here inside the set element, we're going to add the translate. So translate from Y delta. So basically, we're going to animate on the Y axis. So we want to create animation where our recycler view item will come from the bottom. So from 100% to 0%, and of course duration should be around 800 milliseconds for now. Okay, so the next thing, let's go to our let's see, where should we go now? Okay, custom adapter. Here inside our my view holder, inside our constructor here, we want to set animation for our main layout, which is actually our root layout element. So as you can see, our main layout is our linear layout here. So we want to set animation on this root element. Okay, so first let's add the animation object here on the top. Okay, let's name that translate anim. And down below my view holder here, we're going to set the animation. But of course, before we set the animation, we want to load our animation from our resource directory. So to do that, we're going to type just above that animation utils and load animation. We're going to pass the context as the first parameter, and as a second our resource file. And of course this translate anim passed inside our set animation method down below. Okay, copy and paste that here. And now let's run our application. As you can see now, our items should come from the bottom. As you can see, they are actually moving, so it looks very nice. And when we scroll down, our element one by one will move as well. So that will be all for this SQLite tutorial series. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful, of course, and see you next time.